Alright guys, welcome back. In this lecture, what I'm going to do first, before we do anything else, we just initially just created a class project. So you could find that class, that project. Actually, we went in our QA test folder, fixture, and you can see that we have fitness fit cell, and then we have the SLN, the project. Here you can launch the project. And we have a folder in here with the bin file and all the information. So what I want to do though, with this framework is basically have a way to actually have our fitness DLL, when we build this project, saved somewhere directly automatically. When we build a project, it's just saved in a particular folder. Because when we go to TeamCity, for example, and try to do a integration with TeamCity or any other framework, we have a way where we can actually point directly to the where the DLL is. So when codes are being submitted to GitHub, or not GitHub but Loom, but SVN, for example, and things like that, you have a location where those folder contains a repository for the repository contain a folder directly for the newest compiled DLL with all the fixtures that has been created, and you can just basically download that and place it in that particular folder, and you're good to go. Or you can just, if you're a developer and if you give access to your QA group, they can open up the solution after downloading the latest version and rebuild it, and they should get the DLL built there. So one way I would like to, or I like to create a folder in here that we will basically set up our fitness, the solution to basically build. When we build, basically, build it in that folder. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let's just get started. All right. So let's go in here under fixture. So I just navigate back, go under fixture. Let me create a folder called fitness DLL. Okay. In here is where I'm going to save the basic build, the DLL files, or the bin, whenever I build it, the fitness fixtures, all the dependencies is going to be built in this folder. So now let's open back up our Visual Studio here, and let's just basically go to the solution, and let's go to properties. This fit cell framework, sorry, and go to properties. Once you're in the properties right now, you go under build. And in here, instead of bin debug, what we want to basically do is we're going to do, we know we put it there, but we will have to tell it exactly where to go. So we put /fitness. Let me make sure. Yeah, so we have which is going to go into that folder, fitness DLLs. So if I basically go in here, so fitness DLL, okay. So what I'm going to try to do, let's do this right now. Give me 1 second. So this folder is empty, so let's go ahead and build this. Let's build it and see what happens. So let's close this off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate back into the fitness DLL folder. There's nothing there right now, but I don't have anything built yet. I mean, as far as built out for the DLLs to be there. So give me 1 minute, and then we'll go ahead and set another. Let's build this out. 1 second. Alright guys, I apologize. I would have to correct myself here. What I did is so once we got in fixture, I pointed to this folder, but this is not where it is, because where I'm actually pointing is in the framework itself. I added fitness DLL. So whenever you build it, it's gonna build that fitness framework DLL in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this right now and show you what happens. So inside fitness, okay, so we go to fixtures, QA test fixtures. the fitness framework folder. In here, it has the solution, and within the solution in here, I had a fitness framework and all the basic project there, individual project. This is the fitness DLL folder in this folder, in the fitness framework folder. So here's where it's going to be. So when I build it, it's going to go there. So because I'm telling it that that's where it's located. So wherever the actual solution is, I want you to go in that, after that solution, navigate in there and go to fitness DLL. We could change it to the other ones, but right now this is exactly where I want it to be. All right. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to close this off and build this up. So I'm going to build it and rebuild solution. If I go into that folder now, I should see that it should have an output in there. And there it is. I do have the fitness framework here. So the next step is to basically set fitness itself to look at that framework, that location of that DLL, and utilize that for our friction codes. All right. I will show you that in the next lesson. Thank you.